Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HMD Pulse Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and then click search. Now click install. Now click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now, and here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you like this, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.